right, welcome back to American Sunrise. Across America, many households facing a quiet crisis they might not even be aware of. Water systems that are aging, contaminated, hard water systems, chemicals, all the rest of it simply failing us. Even your own shower may be aging your skin or putting contaminants in your body. Research shows that hard, unfiltered water can worsen chronic skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis. Here to weigh in on this very concerning issue is home improvement expert Skip Bedell. We have watched him for years helping families on the hit TV show Catch a Contractor. He's also appeared on some of the nation's biggest news shows as an expert contributor on how Americans can improve their homes, keep themselves healthy, keep their families healthy, keep their water safe. It's foundational. It's fundamental. And people don't even realize, people think, here's the misnomer. People think that if you are drinking bottled water, you're keeping things safe, but you're not, because even bottled water has PFAS, the plastics in these forever chemicals in your bottled water. Plus, we know now, Skip, I'm putting nicotine patches on my arm because that prevents dementia or Alzheimer's, and I'm putting all sorts of lotions that have things that tell us what we're missing and why this system is so really important.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me, Dr. Gina. You are absolutely right, because the skin is the largest organ on the human body, as you know, and it absorbs everything like a sponge. So when we hear about all these contaminants in the water, the lead, the mercury, the arsenic, and now these crazy PFAS, PFAs, or the forever chemicals, they're showing up in every state across the nation, coast to coast. Now they're even showing up in America's blood results. So these are confirmed to cause cancer, very dangerous. And you're right, most people are under the impression that if I only drink bottled water or I filter the water in my home like I have at one of my refrigerators or under the sink, right, that I'm good. But what they're missing, and the false sense of security here, is that they don't understand that we take in much more of those contaminants and chemicals through our skin than we ever could by drinking it. Yeah. When you shower or bathe, a typical shower, let's say 10 minutes, your body can absorb up to 6 ounces of those contaminants, just like your nicotine patches. The reason why is because our skin is so transmittive. It absorbs all of that. It goes directly into your bloodstream, as you know, bypasses the digestive tract, and they're highly concentrated when it's in that form, vaporized. Now we're also breathing in those vapors going into our lungs and directly into our bloodstream. So now that we're finding these PFAS and all these chemicals, test results are showing cancer levels and so many different illnesses are going through the roof over the last number of years.
1 in 3 people right now estimated to have cancer in this decade. We're doing something wrong, despite all the filters, despite all the things we're doing. So this one's different, though. Tell us.
It is, because what this is going to do is going to filter every drop of water to every faucet in your home, not just the water that you drink. So we're going to eliminate those problems where you're taking in the chemicals through your skin and through the inhalation when you're showering, bathing, even washing your hands, brushing your teeth. We use water for everything. We take it for granted, but it doesn't matter where you live or what you do or what you drive. Everybody has to use water all the time, right? So we're exposed to these chemicals and we're missing the boat. We're not protecting. So this filtration system, this is a great system. After doing so much research, being a home improvement contractor for 25 years, I've installed every kind of system you can imagine. And when I realized these things and I went down the rabbit hole and I started doing some investigation myself, I'm like, I got to do something to protect my family. And the whole house water filter is the best way to go because it covers all the bases. Basically, you install a system like this right where the water comes into your home, right by that shutoff valve, and it's just a simple one line in and one line out back to the house.
So no big plumbing bill here. This is just a matter of literally like 30, 40 minutes for a plumber to install this.
Yes. It's
amazing.
It's the easiest install ever, and it's going to force all the water that comes into your house to go through this filter first and then back out to every faucet. And now you're actually getting filtered alkaline drinking water. Alkaline water, is like the best water you can drink. People are paying like $8, $9 a bottle to get alkaline water.
That's right.
You're literally getting filtered alkaline water, better than bottled quality water, to every faucet, even when you shower, eliminating all those harsh chemicals, the things that cause your skin to be dry and itchy, your hair to break and be brittle.
It makes such a difference, Skip. Just putting a hard water filter on my shower, which was the first thing I did like 10 years ago, that made a huge difference. So, but what what people don't realize is all of the things that are in our water. It's not just about the hard water. It's not just about the chemicals. Now we have PFAs, we have minerals in our water that cause degradation of our systems.
Yes. Yep.
This takes care of literally all of it.
Yeah, it does. So the mineral system, like, for years people have been using water softeners, right? And they're usually pretty large, cumbersome units. They're kind of antiquated now. You have to do a lot of maintenance, keep adding salt to it all the time. That's why you see at Costco these 40-pound bags of salt people lugging around. Nobody wants to do that anymore.
No.
This is a new technology. This does the job of a softener. It takes out all those minerals that break down your plumbing pipes, but it also takes out all the harmful contaminants all in one thing. So it's a really great system to have in your home. I installed this in my house a couple of years ago, and you're right, it was like somebody flipped a switch.
Yes.
Overall,
hair is softer, skin is better. People say, what did you do? I'm like, nothing, I'm doing this. This is all I'm doing.
Yes, yes. The hair and the skin you notice right away. And the first thing, the very first shower you take, you don't smell the chlorine and the chemicals. You don't see it on the glass, and you don't taste it in the water. It's like just pure water. That's the first thing. But over time, I noticed that I was actually feeling better. Like I wasn't, look, we're taking in all this stuff, and people complain all the time that we see huge spike in like chronic fatigue, chronic, inflammation throughout the body, brain fog. Everybody's saying like the same thing. And we're exposed to a lot in our environment. What they're spraying in the air, all the all the processed ingredients in our food now, and you can't control everything. But this is something that you can be proactive with in your home. You can filter all that garbage out of your water in your home very easily.
Okay, so let's talk turkey. I want to know, how often do I have to change a filter? What's the maintenance on this system?
That is a great question, because this is really the only system I was able to find is completely maintenance free. As you can see, it's a sealed tank. So once you set this up, it's literally set it and forget it. And that's one of the things I loved about it.
Forever?
Yes, forever. There's a 10-year and there's a 20-year warranty. So even on the 10-year for a smaller system, you're getting 10 years guaranteed pure water. And that's like over 1 million gallons of water, more than you could ever use. So they also have a system that has a pump on it that backwashes it, kind of like a pool filtration system. There's a 20-year guarantee. So basically you set it and forget it. Once you set it up, there's no filters to change. And that's really what I loved about it. The easy install, zero maintenance.
Yeah.
You put it in,
that's almost unbelievable.
We have enough things to worry about, right?
That's almost hard for my brain.
I know, because we have enough things in life to worry about, especially now. Just turn on the news, it's like, right? We have enough things to worry about. We don't need to worry about poison water for our family. I want to check it off the list. This is it. Set it and forget it.
Love that. Love that. Okay, so talk to us about these forever chemicals, because this is a really big deal. And this isn't just a big deal in our drinking water. This is, as you mentioned, a big deal when it goes through our skin. Our dogs, I lost 2 dogs to cancer this year, Skip. It's a big deal to me that my dogs have filtered water. And if that sounds diva, okay, whatever.
No, you're right.
But that's why I need this system.
100% right. So I have 50 chickens. I got 4 dogs and 5 cats. I'm a big animal lover.
Oh, yours, not just me.
My wife and I, we only give the dogs, water that comes out of our house system, right? Yeah. So we know
you
that
can take it with you when you go on vacation.
Yeah, you can bottle it. So what's great about this too is that right under any faucet in your house, just get your little stainless steel bottle or glass bottle you take for the day. You got the best water that you're going to get. But these forever chemicals, you're right, they're in everything. And the reason being is that they're used in the manufacturing process of everything that we have. Yeah. Everything from our clothes, furniture, textiles, technology, everything that we're surrounded by requires chemicals in the manufacturing process. And as things grow, as technology goes up, solar panels and batteries for cars and everything, more and more chemicals are needed. And these chemicals now we've seen really at high levels getting into our groundwater and getting into our homes. The municipalities just can't filter it all out. They just can't. And you can see article after article, story after story, how they're trying to combat these forever chemicals in every state, every municipality. So it's a real problem. And people ask me all the time, what can I do? I have a filter on my faucet, one in the refrigerator. And I try to remind everybody, and I too thought the same thing. I was always the guy to filter my water, refrigerator, any way I could, very conscious of it. But once I started doing the research and I thought about the skin, and I'm like this light bulb went off. I had this aha moment, because when you take a shower, you think it's like the cleanest, healthiest thing you can do. Yeah. You're not realizing that you're taking in all of these chemicals.
Tell us about the system. What's in it?
Yeah, so there's multi levels of filtration that the water goes down through this and is forced to come back up through multiple stages of filtration. Also, it goes through a center tube here that ionizes the water and converts it into alkaline. So when it goes in, it strips out all the minerals that are harming your plumbing and causing hard water scale damage to your plumbing. But at the same time, through those multiple levels of filtration, it's also taking out, each level takes out different types of chemicals. And by the time it gets to the top, it comes out alkaline drinking water that's just pure.
This is really pennies a day.
It is.
This is, all that money we've been spending on the bottled water, which now we've all moved to the boxed water and the glass bottled water, which is even more expensive. Sometimes $5, $6. I've seen my kids spend like $12 for a bottle of water.
It's
what in the
crazy.
heck? But this is literally pennies a day over the course of 10 years.
It is. When I look at what I spent on bottled water over the years, it's like ridiculous. And it's the reason why the bottled water industry has become nearly $100 billion a year for plastic bottles that aren't even
They're
healthy.
putting them out of business, Skip.
They're in big trouble right now. You know what's funny about the plastic bottle? What people don't realize, when that water goes into the bottle and it goes to a warehouse and then it goes to the supermarket, all in hot trucks, right? And then you take it in your hot trunk and you put it in your hot garage, and by the time you break a bottle out and put it in the refrigerator, that water plastic bottle might have been heated up a dozen times, right? We all know what happens when you heat plastic. No one thinks of this.
It expands and contracts.
But just the chemicals
contributes.
leach out of into the water. So the plastic bottled water is definitely not a way to go. If you're going to have to drink bottled water, do it out of a glass bottle,
But you can get your own glass bottle.
You can,
put your own filter.
This is by far the most cost-effective way. For pennies a day, you can literally have the best quality water from every faucet in your home.
Now, alkaline is really important as well. We've talked a lot about that, how acidic our water has become over the years. I don't know what's caused it, but I know this fixes it.
Yes, the chemicals in our water and a combination of a lot of different elements cause the water to be acidic. And as you know, when you have acidic levels in your body, it's also promoting cancer and a lot of other problems.
Inflammation is the big thing that causes cancer.
We want to get our body to alkaline. We want to get our blood to alkaline, our body to alkaline. So drinking and also bathing in alkaline water is a really very helpful thing to do.
So good for the skin. Keeps you young, David Brody, on your birthday. So tell us what I'm not asking you. What did I not ask that you want us to know?
Well, as far as the installation, and it's one of the reasons why I really, again, being a contractor, I've installed like so many different systems, like hundreds of different types and brands. And when I looked at my own home, I'm like, what's going to be the easiest install? Also the size. If you look at the footprint of this is like literally like 9-10 inches.
My gosh, I can't even believe.
Yeah, so you could literally put this in the smallest little space in the closet. Most people have their water systems either in the basement or in the garage. It takes up a lot of space. Like the softeners are big, cumbersome units. The footprint of this is so small, you don't need anything else. It's an all-in-one thing. So it's a really great system from that regard. The installation and also, of course, the no maintenance. That's really my thing.
Skip 26, that's a QR code. What does that save us?
Oh my gosh, this is a great time to get one because this company, which by the way, I didn't mention this, really the thing that put me over the top of this is an all-American company. They're all 100% manufactured and sold right here in America. Their home offices are in Nevada.
So important.
So
Made
important.
in America.
And I'll tell you why. You try to get someone on the phone from any of these other water filtration companies, it's farmed out across the world. No one speaks English.
Right.
These guys, when you get on the phone with them, you're speaking to a water specialist. They're in your country. They're speaking English. They're going to tell you exactly your zip code, what the problem is in your water.
Love that.
They know water, and they make it really easy to get this, So.
All right. The code is SKIP26.
Yeah.
You're going to save some big bucks on that.
$1,000 off right now.
$1,000 off right now. Skip Bedell, this is really exciting. I want one for my house, definitely. And
Give me your address. I'll see if I can ship one over.
I can't believe that one little system with this small of a footprint for this little money can save lives. Can save lives.
It really can.
Really
In the long term, it can save lives.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Thank you so much. Skip26, that's the code. It saves you $1,000 just today. So make sure you order right now. And we'll be back with more American Sunrise right after this. Thanks, Skip.
Thanks so much.